Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have a 69 Roadrunner here that hasn't even turned 31,000 miles yet. It's 30,900 and change. It's a 3-owner car. It was put on a rotisserie and given an incredible paint job. The bottom of the car is this shiny. It's all numbers matched, motor, trans, rear, color. We've got power disc brakes, 4-speed if I didn't mention that already. Visit volocars.com and that's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, and that's where you'll find the price. Not only on this Roadrunner, we have a few hundred collector cars for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, let's go for a spin in this 383 Roadrunner. Yeah, look at the pictures on our website. The bottom of the car is just as shiny. All beautiful metal, all the spot welds and frame rails and floor pans and the inner rockers and even behind the tire, all clean, beautiful metal, painted gloss red. The front end has disc brakes. Looks like it's been gone through, taken apart and redone. It has emergency brake cables, the brake lines, fuel lines, all that looks real nice. The fuel tank and the straps look real nice. Has a dual exhaust system with like cherry bomb type mufflers. You'll hear that in a little bit when I fire it up. The motor, when you look up at the motor, it's spotless. It's not even oily or greasy. The VIN number is stamped down by the right above the oil pan. Also the casting codes and the casting dates line up spot on. It's an 833 4-speed transmission. The VIN number is also stamped on the transmission. And it has a 323 8 3/4 rear end and back. So there's a 323 tag on the rear end. The body is amazing. Actually, the gentleman that told me about this car, he is a body man all of his life and he's a car collector. He knows body work. I bought the car because he looked at it for me and I trust him more than I trust myself when it comes to looking at the body. This thing's probably better than it was when it left the factory. The gaps are spot on. Everything is square, flush, fits beautifully. I haven't found a flaw yet. It's just like red glass. The paint code is F4. I started doubting myself. Is that red? Is it orange? R4 says Barracuda orange on one website. It says bright red on another website, but it's code R4. That's the original color. But again, it's like glass. The reflection of my hand at the bottom is like a mirror. It has the Penn-Star emblem right here, the Running Bird Roadrunner, and this is slick as can be, flush, square. Everything is spot on. All this is super nice, like a mirror. It's got some steel rims. They're wider in back with some nice plump radial redline tires and the poverty caps. Taillights look brand new. Bumper's gorgeous. All this is beautiful. Again, I haven't found a flaw yet. This is all slick as can be. The wheel wells are painted red. So the rear window is super clear. The moldings are excellent. The speaker tray and the speaker grills, all that's real nice. Glass, the trim is all real nice. These windows pop out. Door handle. It's a remote mirror, the vent window frames, the windshield. It's all in excellent condition. Real nice shape. The grille, headlight bezels, all nice. Has a correct antenna. So it is the VIN number matching 383, runs strong. They did replace the intake at one time. It's an aluminum intake of some sort, and it looks like an Edelbrock carb with electric choke, and it has a set of headers. Other than that, it looks stock. The alternator looks new. The brake booster looks new. Plug wires are all run neatly. The whole engine bay is spotless, clean metal, painted gloss red. The VIN numbers on the core support matches the the car, it has the original fender tag there. Big oval air cleaner, chrome valve covers, everything on the firewall, the wiper motor, all that looks really good. It has a washer bottle. The interior is original. It's a rubber matte car. It's the original rubber matte. Door panels are in really nice shape. Right now, the front seat has some splits in the seams. It's the original seat cover. I ordered one a few days ago. Hopefully that'll be in soon, and we will replace the front seat cover. But everything in here is really nice. It's not beat up and abused. And again, the original rubber mat, that's pretty cool. This is kind of a stripped down muscle car. It's got the poverty hubcaps, rubber mat, not a lot of frills, to be honest with you. It's a good old fashioned muscle car. My father's seen it sitting out there and he loved it because this is what he remembers. Got a sun tachometer on the column. Got the beep beep horn. Big old shifter sticking out of the floor. Yeah, you hear the raspy cherry bomb mufflers. The dash pad is mint. Headliner is real nice. Dome light works. Glove box liner looks like it's new. Jambs are real nice. All the weather strips are real nice. Another battery bolt is bolted down. Another car guy was just here that knows cars, works on cars, collects cars. He went right up to this and was looking it over, opened the hood and everything. And I told him where we priced it. He said it's going to sell fast. I should probably raise it, which I'm not going to. The last Roadrunner we had sold almost immediately. This might do the same. I don't know what I like better, that exhaust or the beep beep horn. They're both cool. Well, you can have it all. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my impression of this car based on what I see and what I know about it. If you have specific concerns or questions, feel free to ask. They'd be more than happy to help you. That's at volocars.com. They'll also make the shipping, the financing, the paperwork real easy for you. That's what they do every day. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next one we post. Thanks for watching.